Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by stabilizing the trailer and removing load from the hub. Chalk both sides, then raise the frame with a jack and place jack stands under the frame rails. Never rely on the jack alone. Once done, break lug nuts loose while the wheel touches ground to avoid spinning. Now remove wheel, then pull the dust cap and cotter pin. You should see the castle nut. Back it off slightly to free the outer hub assembly so you can slide it off the spindle. You'll continue by carefully pulling the hub straight off the spindle. Keep bearings together to note their order. Once off, remove inner and outer bearings and old seal, then thoroughly clean the hub and spindle with solvent and a lint-free cloth. Inspect each bearing and race for wear, pitting, or discoloration means replacement. If bearings are good, repack them with high-temperature wheel bearing grease. Install a new seal by tapping it squarely into the hub. You now reinstall the hub onto the spindle, sliding the outer bearing in place, followed by the washer and castle nut. Tighten the nut to seat bearings, then back off and set preload per manufacturer spec, usually snug with slight play. Finally, align castle nut and insert cotter pin. Once done, replace the dust cap and remount wheel, torquing lug nuts in a star pattern. Test at low speed, then recheck bearing preload and lug torque. If noise or heat appears, inspect bearings and seals immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.